Hey guys, welcome back to our latest video. Today I'll be addressing a common issue: how to fix unable to authorize please try again on TikTok. If you've encountered this problem while logging into your TikTok account, fret not, as I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it efficiently. Let's dive right in without wasting any time. Firstly, let's start by ensuring your device's storage isn't cluttered. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. From there, navigate to iPhone storage. Scroll down to find TikTok, tap on it, and select Offload App. Confirm by tapping on Offload App again. Next, head over to the App Store and search for TikTok. If there's an update available, ensure you update the app to the latest version. After updating, long press on the TikTok app icon, then tap on Remove App. Once removed, reinstall TikTok from the App Store and log into your account again. If the issue persists, it's time to ensure your device's software is up to date. Head back to Settings, tap on General, then select Software Update. Download and install any available updates to ensure your device is running the latest iOS version. Now, let's make sure your device's date and time settings are configured automatically. In Settings, tap on Date Time and enable the option for automatic settings. Check if there are any VPNs connected to your device. In Settings, navigate to VPN Device Management and ensure no VPNs are active. If you're still facing issues, it might be necessary to reset all settings on your device. In Settings, tap on General, then Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Enter your device passcode when prompted, and after the reset, check if the issue persists. If none of these steps resolve the problem, seek further assistance from Apple support. Open your internet browser and navigate to support.apple.com. Describe your issue, and they'll provide further assistance to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the unable to authorize issue on TikTok and regain access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.